what's up YouTube? Today I'm heading to the Uyo Township Stadium to watch the final match between Ibom Air, the Uyo branch and the Lagos branch. They are celebrating their anniversary, so they have been playing a football tournament and today is the finals. And the team in Uyo made it to the finals and they are playing the team in Lagos. So I have my camera right here, almost at the stadium. Alright, so I'm at the stadium. You can see the stadium and I think there are people here as well. There is a lot of cars here. Before we continue to the celebrations, here is a quick background of Ibom Air. Ibom Air was launched during the tenure of the former Akwa Ibom State Governor Udom Emmanuel. It was officially launched by Bukola Saraki on February 20, 2019 at the Victor Atta International Airport in Akwa Ibom State. Ibom Air received its Air Operator Certificate in May 2019 and commenced commercial operations on June 7, 2019 with its maiden flight from Uyo to Lagos. Ibom Air became one of the first state-owned airlines in Nigeria. 7 years later, Ibom Air has expanded its network to 7 destinations including Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Calabar, and Accra, Ghana. Today, the airline has grown into one of Nigeria's most reliable carriers, serving millions of passengers with a modern fleet and a strong reputation for safety and punctuality. Known for being a well-organized airline, this was evident in their 7th anniversary celebration, as everything about this football match was well organized.